Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well, and welcome to my fourth series of Learn WordPress with Sujat Programming. As you know that in the last lecture we have made a website in WordPress which is known which can be accessed through localhost / my website. Yeah, and if you want to access the backend of the website, you have to write localhost / wp / my site / wp login .php, and here you can write admin and the password admin. When you enter these credentials, you will be redirected to the dashboard of your website. We will now make our first post. Click on the post, click on add new post, and pop-up will open. Here you can just add the title of your post. Let's say my first post, and you can write whatever you want here. This is my first post in WordPress, and just click on here publish. Click on this publish, and it's published. Click on this view post, and it will be redirected to your, this is your indeed this is how your users will see your post. This is the title of the post which I have wrote in the backend, and this is the text that I have written. This is my first post in website, and here it shows when it is published. It's June 13, 2021, and it shows who published this post. It is by admin, and we have put it into uncategorized category, and you can see there is a leave a comment box here. If I just go back to my dashboard, this is the dashboard of my website. Here you can change the categories. If you want to add some new category, you can write here. If you want to add tags, you can add some tags. If you want to add some feature image, you can use this. If you want to use an expert is basically a short description of your post. You can write in here, and these are the different settings. This shows that when it is published, post format is the standard. It shows is it a video, is it an image, is it a gallery, or is it a chat. We selected standard here. Let's get back to create our first page. Click on the page, add new page, and here you can write the title of your page, my first page, and you can click on publish, and click on view page, and this is your page. As you can see, there is no comments section here, or no category is shown in here. Also, it doesn't show when this page was first published, and who published this page. It is not shown in this site. Pages don't show these settings. If you want, just go back to our website. So here, in this way, you can publish your first page and your first post. Hope in our next lecture we will show you how to customize your theme, and hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.